What is desire really? Desire is the soul's misdirected urge for completion. The soul craves union with its original source. That is the real desire, the big desire. Until we know where to look, we tend to seek fulfillment externally instead. I'll tell you a story. One day an ant was crawling along a leaf when a sparrow landed next to her. What amazing sights you must see when you fly so high in the sky, sighed the ant. I only ever see twigs and leaves and fables. Please tell me what you see from there. Well, said the sparrow, I can see the whole forest in a single glance, and in the distance I can even see the oceans. What is the ocean? Asked the ant. In the ocean, there is so much of water that it has no end, said the sparrow. The ant had only ever even seen raindrops and droplets of dew. I would like to see the ocean, thought the ant. Which direction is it the ocean? She asked the sparrow. Oh, it is that way, said the sparrow, pointing his wing. Thank you, said the ant, and she said it all. She walked for hours and hours. Finally, she encountered a mud puddle. The ant looked to see if she could see the other side, but as far as she could see, there was only water. At last, I have reached the ocean, said the ant. That is the situation in which we find ourselves. We mistake the ephemeral for the eternal, the finite for the infinite, the mud puddle for the infinite ocean. We seek fulfillment in various objects. However, the satisfaction we derive is limited and temporary. Really, it makes us feel even emptier inside. This is because we lack contact with our inner source of contentment. Without such contact, we have little choice but to try to fulfill the deeper need in so many other ways.